Johnny Depp, friends and family seriously concerned about him. Here's why.
Yes.
Correct?
How did they know?
The next article from May 1st, 2017
Yes.
is entitled Johnny Depp's Financial Woes Might Sink the Next Pirates of the Caribbean. Did I read that right?
You did. I don't know.
The
how
next
my
article,
financial woes would do
May
that.
17, a year and a half before the op-ed was published. An article entitled, Where Did It All Go Wrong for Johnny Depp? After a string of flops and a ton of bad press, Johnny Depp's star power looks as wobbly as Jack Sparrow on a plank. Did I read that right?
You read that very, very well.
The next one, Hollywood Reporter, May 20. It's a
Green
yes
order.
or no question. You didn't try to get the restraining
No,
order.
why
did
would
you?
I?
And then 2 years ago, Ms. Heard became a public figure representing domestic abuse. That is true, isn't it?
I'm not sure what we're looking at.
Objection.
Oh, I see it.
Calls for a legal conclusion.
I'll sustain the objection. I'll
His
sustain the objection.
And in two, may have been drunk in that video, correct?
There's a possibility of that, yes, sir.
You poured yourself a mega pint of red wine, correct?
A mega pint.
Yeah.
I poured myself a large glass of wine.
Right.
I thought it necessary.
Right. Right.
Well, you know what? No, I'll go ahead.
Okay, go ahead. I think that's withdrawn. Go ahead. You can answer the question. Oh. You could just answer the question, sir. 180 in evidence, then you can publish.
Okay. In this, and when it says Steve here, Mr. Depp, that's what Ms. Heard referred to you as, correct?
Yes.
And you referred to her as Slim, right?
Yeah. Yes, that's correct.
And so you text her rears, tears, beer.
One eternity later.
I can go all night, DJ Maxi Pad. The old vintage motherfucker you went for, dumbass. Did I read that right?
I was signing off as dumbass.
And then below that, you write, don't call me again and do not expect anything from me. Do you see that?
I do see that.
Did I read that right?
You really did.
Let's go to the next page, please. We're going to fast forward in time a little bit, Mr. Depp.
Yes, I can feel it.
Yesterday, you texted, I'm sorry. Thought we've seen a lot of texts today.
It's all right. I did text someone yesterday.
Yeah. And then you write, I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury. I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury.
Sorry, could you read that again?
These are your words, sir, right? I won't give you anything to argue with me yet. Right after you sustained an injury to your finger,
Sorry.
that you, February of 2015, you'd been off of alcohol for 18 months. You testified to that. Remember giving that testimony?
Yes.
That's just nonsense, right? We've already looked at
Thank you.
You've trashed hotel rooms before simply because you've had a bad couple days and an unpleasant time, correct?
I have assaulted a couch or two. Yes, sir.
When is Miss Heard's birthday?
22nd of April.
And in 2016, how was Miss Heard celebrating her birthday?
We'd set up a dinner for her, which was, she wanted to have a dinner with all her friends, and Josh, Drew, Rocky's boyfriend, who was some sort of chef, he asked her what she would like for him to cook. That's hearsay, I guess.
Go ahead. I'm not just sure it's offered for the truth of the matter, sir.
He got it.
Okay, all right, well then.
I'm learning.
There you go.
Let me put it a different way.
Regularly, you touch, you touch and boink, and that's that.
So you think it was pretty hard? You peck her on the cheek pretty hard every time?
Objection, Your Honor. No, I'll sustain objection if you want the next question.
Okay.
Kelsey.
You also showed that you did one like this. Did you ever do a two kiss when you greeted Amber? Two cheeks?
No, I'm not European. I'm from Brooklyn.
No.
You give, Europeans do the,
All right.
both sides. Sometimes you even three.
That I'm not so sure of.
Okay.
Where's he going?